Mustang here. This is Readville, Mass. There's the, oops, brand new boxcar. This is Readville, Mass CSX yard. Going down to the station that way. April 16, 2023. Nice. And there's looks like a 72 Ford Mustang. I'm gonna go buy this. The guy has an old Mustang in his yard. Wow, look at that car. It's pretty cool. There it is. Wow. The bumpy road to Readville. Okay.